Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grafana dashboards for Prometheus metrics, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Grafana dashboards for Prometheus metrics, start by ensuring you have both Grafana and Prometheus installed and running. Open your web browser and navigate to your Grafana instance. Log in using your Grafana credentials. On the left side, click on the plus icon to create a new dashboard. Select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. A new dashboard will appear with a blank panel. Click on Add a new panel to begin configuring a panel. In the new panel, locate the Query section. From the Data Source drop-down, choose Prometheus. In the Query field, enter your desired Prometheus metric. For example, use node_CPU_seconds_total to monitor CPU usage. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the appropriate metric. You can now adjust the panel's visualization type using the options on the right. Consider changing the graph type to time series for better visual representation. In the panel section, add a title to your panel to identify its purpose. You can also configure additional settings like legend, axes, and thresholds based on your requirements. Once satisfied with your configurations, click Apply to save your panel. To arrange multiple panels, you can drag and drop them on the dashboard layout. To add more panels, repeat the process by clicking Add a new panel. If you wish, you can also create a variable to filter your metrics. Go to the dashboard settings by clicking on the gear icon. Under the Variables tab, click Add Variable. Enter a name and configure the query to pull distinct values from Prometheus. For example, use label_values, your_metric_name, your_label_name, . Save the variable by clicking Update. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of critical metrics. To do this, open the panel you want to monitor. Click on the Alerts tab, then select Create Alert. Specify the conditions for when you want an alert to trigger. Fill in the notification channels and details for alerting. Once everything is configured, click Save at the top right corner of the dashboard. Your Grafana dashboard is now configured to visualize and alert on Prometheus metrics. Regularly review and modify your dashboards as your monitoring needs evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.